Hi home students. In the previous class we discussed about a point dividing line segment. So the line segment joined by the 2 points is A minus 3 comma 10, B 6 comma minus 8, and in the previous problems they have given the ratio. This line segment divides a point in a specific ratio. Here in this problem, whatever the point is dividing the line segment, that point they have given as minus 1 comma 6, and we named it as P of minus 1 comma 6, and that specific ratio is there now, that we are going to find now. Here I have assumed that ratio as m1 is to m2. See this, here is a line segment A minus 3 comma 10, B 6 comma minus 8, and P of minus 1 comma 6, that it is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10, 6 comma 8, minus 8, I have taken that 2 as A and B is divided by minus 1 comma 6, that means by this point, that point P. In now we have to find it out. It's a ratio, that it is m1 is to m2. So that, as you know, section formula, that it is bisection formula, P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here A minus 3 comma 10, that it is x1 y1, B 6 comma minus 8 x2 y2, m1 m2, that we assume, and this P of x comma y is minus 1 comma 6. In this m1 into what is x2 6 plus m2 what is x1 minus 3 by m1 plus m2, and m1 what is y2 minus 8 plus m2 what is y1, it is 10 by m1 plus m2. Now by simplifying these two, that means if here we are equating that it is minus 1 comma 6 is equal to m1 into 6 plus m2 into minus 3 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 into minus 8 plus m2 into 10 by m1 plus m2. Here its meaning is the first coordinate in this P is equals to in this section formula what we have substituted, that is equal to this value, and this second coordinate is equal to this y coordinates. These are x coordinates and this is y coordinate. Here in this x coordinate, this x coordinate minus 1 is equals to the x coordinate in the line segment, and this y coordinate is equal to that y coordinate. Now by equating by equating these two, we can get that minus 1 comma 6 is equal to 6m1 plus of minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. Now as I said, this x coordinate is equal to this x coordinate, so that minus 1 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2, and in the same way 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. Now by cross multiplication we can get that minus 1 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. Now minus m1 minus m2, that it is 1 into m1 minus m1 minus 1 into m2 minus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. Now take all m1 terms to one side and m2 terms to other side. Now it is minus m1 minus 6m1 is equal to minus 3m2. Now this is minus m2, it is plus m2. Now it is minus 7m1 is equal to minus 2m2. Now on both sides we have negative sign. Then we can remove that, it becomes m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7, or the same we can write as m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Hence our required ratio be 2 is to 7. Now there is a chance to get a doubt that it is by equating these two shall we get the same or not. So that I am simplifying this one also, but no need, it is enough. Just for your sake, for your verification purpose, I am checking you here. See that by cross multiplication, 6 into m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. Now 6 into m1 plus 6 into m2 is equal to minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. Now take all m1 terms to one side, that it is 6 m1. This is a minus 8 m1, it becomes plus 8 m1. 10 m2, this is plus 6 m2, it is minus 6 m2. It is 14 m1 is equal to 4 m2. Now m1 by m2 is equal to 4 by 14, which is nothing but 2 by 7. m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. So we can express the same as m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. So that we conclude that by equating either x coordinate or y coordinate, we can get this ratio. m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7, 2 is to 7. Now I am going to discuss the same problem in another model. In this method, same, let a minus 3 comma 10 and b 6 comma minus 8 divided by p of minus 1 comma 6 in the ratio k is to 1. Why we are assuming that it as a k is to 1 means, see, we have the ratio m1 is to m2. Just is a small simplification. m1 is to m2. This entire ratio I have divided by m2. That it is m1 by m2 is to m2 by m2. As you know, in your earlier classes, you have learnt that a ratio or whatever it may be, a division, whatever it may be, if we multiply on both sides with the same number, the value never change. or else if we divide, then also its value never change. So that m1 m2 I have divided by the same number, it is m2 m2. So m1 by m2 is to m2 by m2, that it is, as you know that it is m2 m2 is 1 only, no, m1 by m2 is to 1. Here this total ratio m1 by m2 I have taken with a constant, that it is k. So like that, so in this way we can get this k is to 1. So by doing these all, no need to write in exam or in classwork, no need. Just to know, I have explained this one, how we are getting this from this m1 is to m2, k is to 1. So just no need to write. Here it is k is to 1. So that now already you know that it is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now this is k is to 1 means it is m1 is to m2. So p of x1 comma y is minus 1 comma 6 is equal to m1, that is k, into x2 6 plus m2 is 1, m2 is 1 into x1 is minus 3 by k plus 1. Here also m1 is k, y2 minus 8 plus m1 m2 1 into y1 10 by k plus 1. Here minus 1 comma 6 is equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1, minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. It is as I said, if two coordinates are equal, then automatically that x coordinate of this LHS is equal to x coordinate of RHS. So that we can get minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. Here in this side, this one, 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. So we can simplify either x or y. Any one is enough. Minus 1 equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. 6 equal to minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. Now again by cross multiplication, minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Here minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Take all k terms to one side. It is minus 6k minus k is equal to minus 3. This minus 1 is plus 1. It is minus 7k is equal to minus 2. Now on both sides we have negative sign, so that it becomes cancellation. Now it is k is equal to 2 by 7. As you know, in rational numbers we can say that 2, 3, these all can be written as 2 by 1, 3 by 1, like that. Here also it is k by 1. So k is to 1 is k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. This is our required ratio. So to check out, no need to do this one. Just for checking purpose, I am telling you, do any one, it is enough. Now 6 into k plus 1 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. It is 6k plus 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. Now 6k, take all k terms to one side, plus 8k is equal to minus 6 plus 10. It is 14k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 14, which is nothing but k by 1. Now k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. 2 2's 2 7. So it is 2 is to 7. Hence we conclude that hence divides 1 comma p of minus 1 comma 6 divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 7. See, in the first problem they have given a that it is a endpoints of a line segment AB, then how to find out this ratio. Here in this problem they have given this point and finding this ratio. That is the difference between the two models. This is also very important model. Find the ratio in which point p of minus 1 comma y lying on the line segment joining points A minus 3 comma 10 and B 6 comma minus 8 divides it. Also find the value of y. Here see the difference between before problem and this problem is, here they have given in that whatever the point is dividing the line segment, that two coordinates they have given. That is that point of intersection, x coordinate and y coordinate, both they have given. But in this problem they have given only its x coordinate and they asked you to find out its y coordinate. So for that here say write that let p of minus 1 comma y divides the line segment joining A minus 3 comma 10 and B 6 comma minus 8 in the ratio k is to 1. So you know that from section formula we have p of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here that p of x comma y is minus 1 comma y. It is m1 is k into it is x1 y1 x2 y2 m1 x2 that is k into 6 plus m2 1 into x1 minus 3 by m1 is k plus 1 and m1 y2 k into y2 is minus 8 plus 1 into y1 10 by k plus 1. Now it is minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 and y is equal to minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. Here in the before problem I said that by taking either x coordinate or y coordinate you can get its ratio. But in this problem, here you don't know that y coordinate also. In that P point, you don't know that y coordinate. So that it is sure to take x coordinate by equating x coordinates, and that we can get its ratio. From that we can get this y value. So that take here by cross multiplication, minus k in 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Take all k terms to one side, it is minus 7k is equal to minus 2. By simplification this equation you will get minus 7k is equal to minus 2. That it is k is equal to 2 by 7. As I said already, k is nothing but k is to 1. That it is k by 1. Which is k is to 1 is 2 is to 7. So, from this 2 is to 7, we can know this y value. How it is? That is, sorry, in this point, in this coordinate, we can get that minus 8 into, what is k here? 2 by 7. 2 by 7 plus 10 by 2 by 7 plus 1. Now it is y is equal to minus 16 by 7 plus 10, 2 by 7 plus 1. Here minus 16 plus 70 by 2 plus 7. This 7 gets cancelled. Now y is equal to 54 by 9. 9 ones 9 6. So that y is equal to 6. So in P of minus 1 comma y is 6. Therefore P of minus 1 comma 6 divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 7. Understood? So this is one model. Whenever the either x coordinate or y coordinate missing in the point of this is also important model. Only difference is find the ratio in which the line segment joining a1 comma minus 5 and v minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. This is very important. X-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Here x-axis, a point on x-axis is, what is that? A point on x-axis is, its general form x comma 0. A point on x-axis is x comma 0. If the same problem, if they have given by the y-axis, means a point on y-axis is 0 comma y. Understood? A point on x-axis means x comma 0 and a point on y-axis means 0 comma y. So now we know from our section formula we have P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here x1 y1 x2 y2, and this is the ratio m1 m2. So by substituting these, now k into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 by k plus 1, k into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 by k plus 1, minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1, 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. Now as you know, here this one is equal to x coordinate is equal to this x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to this y coordinate. So that 0 is equal to 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. As you know, by cross multiplication, 0 into k plus 1 is equal to 5k minus 5. 0 into anything is 0, no? It is 5k minus 5, which implies 5k is equal to 5. K is equal to 5 by 5. It is 1. So, by substituting k value here, x is equal to minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1. So, in this, by substituting x is equal to minus 4 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Minus 4 into x is minus 4 plus 1, it is minus 3 by 2. So, our required point of division is, x comma, that is minus 3 comma 2, 3 by 2 comma 0. So, minus 3 by 2 comma 0 divides the given line segment in the ratio 1 is to 1. In the ratio 1 is to 1. Okay, this is another order. Here is a problem. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is, here whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. Then what is A? That it is, as you know, diameter meaning diameter of a circle and its center becomes its midpoint. So that here we have one end of diameter as x comma y and the other end 1 comma 4. So that you know, in our previous class I explained you that if P divides internally, we can get m1 y x2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, that it is internally. If it is midpoint, then what I said, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So that in the same way, here it is one end of the diameter is nothing but line segment, no? So here one end is we assumed as x comma y and the other end is 1 comma 4 and that midpoint is 2 comma minus 3. So that here by using midpoint we can take that midpoint of AB is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Here which case it is? If the line segment divides by a point equally in the ratio equally, not in any specific ratio. It divides here in equal ratio so that it becomes its midpoint. So by taking its midpoint, what is here its midpoint? O 2 comma minus 3 is equal to, assume that it is x1 y1 x2 y2. It is x plus 1 by 2. Y1 is y plus, what is y2? 4 by 2. It is 2 comma minus 3 is equal to x plus 1 by 2 y plus 4 by 2. Now as you know, this x coordinate is equals to this x coordinate. So 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2 minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 2. Now by cross multiplication, 2 2s are 4 is equal to x plus 1. Now 4 minus 1 is equal to x. X is equal to 3. Next, by cross multiplication, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 is equal to y plus 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is equal to y. Y is equal to minus 10. So the midpoint of, sorry, at the other end of this diameter, the other end of diameter AB is 3 comma minus 10. So here this problem is we use it when a line divides equal ratio. Up to now, before this problem we discussed if the line divides internally in a specific ratio m1 is to m2. But here in this problem, when it occurs, this case means if the line segment divides, that it is a line segment divides by a point in equal ratio, that it is equally, then we can get this model. This same we can extend for quadrilaterals also. If the diagonals are equal, then how to find out other one of the missing coordinate or this type of missing coordinates, everything. So up to now we discussed internally. Hereafter we are going to discuss about midpoint, that it is in equal ratio.